How to buy a lucky token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is in the Disclaimer platform. So the liquidity here, as you can see, it's locked by 100%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And as you can see, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Log into your account. Now after that, click on swap, and now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet for sure to be able to buy this token. Now click here and paste the token address here, and as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Now into provider, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Now after that, click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slippage, because most of the issues came from slippage. So switch it or custom it from here, and after that go and buy this token. You will not face any issue after that. So this is how to buy a lucky token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.